How to use Proforma Invoice settings. First, go to the Settings. Then go to Proforma Invoice settings. Here you can see default settings. You can modify each settings as per your needs. Let's understand each setting one by one. You can set desired prefix for your Proforma invoice number. This is the first part of your Proforma invoice number. Next, you can set up serial number for your Proforma invoices. Your new Proforma invoice number will start from this serial number and increase automatically for every new Proforma invoice. This is also a part of your final Proforma invoice number. This is how your final Proforma invoice number will look. Set discount options from here. Let's select per item option for discount. This is how per item discount will be visible on the final PDF. To discount the total amount, you can choose the On the Total option. This is how the total discount will be visible on the final PDF. Select tax or GST settings here. Let's select per item option for tax. This is how per item tax will be visible on the final PDF. To apply taxes on total amount, you can choose On the Total option. This is how the total tax will be visible on the final PDF. Set Product HSN Display setting. If you set it yes, then HSN code for every item will be displayed on final PDF. Here, you can customize greeting message for your Proforma invoices. This is how your top message or greeting message will be displayed on final PDF. Here, you can customize bottom message for your Proforma invoices. This is how your bottom message will appear on final PDF. Set payment instructions to yes, if you want to display payment information on the final PDF. Remember to add payment instructions in your business profile. This is how your payment instructions will appear on final PDF. Thank you for watching.